Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Creative Math Academy. Today we try to solve one math from DP1 AASL. The first math is if x such that function f x mapped to 2x plus 1 and function g such that x mapped to x plus 1 minus 2, find f o g x and g inverse x. The first one, FOGX, so we can write here FOG. FOGX, so we can write here FGX. So keep F unchanged. A GX value we have to write here, it will be x plus 1 by x minus 2. Now, we put this value in f function instead of x. So it will be 2 into x plus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus 1. Now multiply by 2, we will get here 2x plus 2, x minus 2 plus 1. If we simplify, it will be x minus 2, 2x plus 2, plus 2x minus 4, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 cancels, so final answer, it will be 4x by x minus 2. So it is x. 2x plus x, it will be 3x by x minus 2. So question number A completed. Question number B, we want to find out g inverse x. At first, let y equals to gx equals to x plus 1 divided by x minus 2. We want to make x as a subject, so multiply y into x minus 2 equals to x plus 1. Then xy minus 2y equals to x plus 1. So all the x-related term we have to write in the left side. So 2y plus 1. So y minus 1 equals to 2y plus 1. Now x equals to 2y plus 1 divided by y minus 1. Finally, instead of x, we can write here g inverse y equals to 2y plus 1 divided by y minus 1. So if we put here x, we have to put here x. So finally, you can write here g inverse x equals to 2x plus 1 x minus 1. I hope everybody understood all of this math properly. If you have any confusion, feel free to contact with me. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.